Look at him give you a dodgy
He's
laugh.
just gone for a red light. Good parking! Good parking! You're not actually going to park. You are going to park there, aren't you? Right to the corner. Wow. Good parking. Good parking. That's you! That's you! You stupid. Are you going to give details or not? Did you not feel it bang?
No, I didn't.
You didn't feel it bang?
No.
I've been fucking hoes and popping.
What an actual prick. What an actual prick. In fact, prick of the day, because I've had a good day today. No one's done that to me today. What a prick. Doesn't indicate I'm roundabouts either by the looks of it. Wow. Is he tailgating as well? Look at that. Wow. In fact, he's a grade above a prick. He's actually special. There might be something wrong with him. I don't know. I've not actually seen the driver. I don't know him, but I'm guessing driving like that, there's got to be something wrong with you. Nearly. Is that car really just drove on the path to get around that truck? Did he really just do that? Is he going to get around the truck, or is he just going to stop there? Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Oh, come on, man. Pick a lane. What are you trying to do? You can't... Hello? Oh, it's one of those, Alexi. Use the left turn lane to go right around the roundabout.
Yep.
That's why I had to beep it, because he's a fucking idiot. What in the hell are you doing? What? Why? Why, you absolute freak? Alexi, clap, clap, please. And then, as we go past under your window, call him a dickhead. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What are you doing that?
Oh. Hey, little baby, say, that's a bus stop. Yeah. Say, that's a bus stop, little baby. Yeah. There's some special ones about today, isn't there?
Yeah. Look at him give you a dodgy
He's
laugh.
just gone for a red light.
Did he?
Yeah. Weirdo.
Baby, stop, please.
He's
very
being,
cautious,
he is a bit strange. He's going all over the place. I might have to put the other clip in earlier when he decided to go on the other side of the road. I don't think he knows what the road is about it.
I think he just wants to drive in the middle of the road.
Either that was a woman. Isn't there some sort of law you shouldn't park opposite a junction? I'm not too sure. I haven't read the highway code for a while, but I'm pretty sure it's one of them. Dickhead. Isn't there some sort of rule you shouldn't park on a roundabout? It's been a while since I've... oh, that's a policeman as well. He's got a little siren on top. Flashy lights, sorry. Oh dear. Oh dear, they're about today, aren't they? Trust BMW to get it wrong. Look at that. Oh, I love BMW drivers, I do.
What are you doing that?
Dickhead. Go on, stop in the bike box as well. Wow. Alexi, that's a copper, that is.
I know it's a copper.
What a prick.
Definitely a prick.
Should we tailgate?
A thank you would have been nice.
You're welcome! Clap! Clap quick! Thank you. Should he be on the road with no number plates and no indicators, no lights and nothing? Is a question. Should he be on the road?
No.
Oh no, Meaty Moo, you got knobheads parked like knobheads. Look at this knobhead. Meaty Moo, look at that knobhead. I don't know, look at that knobhead.
Whoa! Jesus!
Jesus! Holy Jesus!
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Well, you didn't look happy then, did he?
No, I get the blame for that, don't I?
Well, you shouldn't.
I do. Oh! I thought you were going to fall off then, Alexi. I got excited I did Maisie Moo.
No, no,
Yeah, I did.
no.
They ain't got carrying away with some people, have they?
I would have run the bitch over.
Yeah, I would have too. A poor learner.
He's got a good number plate, don't he? Look, pass, no L's. Get it?
Yeah. What?
There are people that go around this corner and jump on the curb. It's quite funny.
What on earth is that?
That's a motorbike.
That ain't no motorbike.
That is a motorbike.
It's a proper dirty bitch, isn't it?
Oh, the noise, man.
He just had a nice little stretch there, didn't he?
It's not a road legal one now.
No?
Nay.
Why? Why isn't it?
He's got any number plate. Oh, the noise, man. Yeah, he had no number plates, no lights, nothing, so he should be on the road.
Oh, here it comes again.
Is he back?
He's back.
Oh, he just
gone
done the
for a
red
red
light.
light.
Yeah.
You got my ning. So technically, because he went for a red light, he wouldn't actually get done for that, will he?
Nope.
And he's driving on the other side of the road now. So when did that bus go down there? Who beat for you?
No, we put him in front because he wouldn't go.
Oh, you beat?
No, Aldi beat.
Oh.
That was a one-way system, wasn't it?
I don't know.
That was a one-way system. Dickhead cyclist. Ooh, I should have knocked the fucker
Does
off.
it count for them now?
Yeah, it does.
I think. And then work out what I need to get for the girls, like for the
Yep.
holiday clothes, right?
See, if that little shitty car would have stayed where it was too, everyone in that road could get out and the world would be a happier place.
Yeah.
Do you understand what I said with a mouthful of food?
Yeah, I did.
Good. Prick. I'll let you go. Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair.
Whoa.
Prick. Like that song.